Hey, what up, YouTube? Y'all already know who it is. It's Swole Waver. I can't flex for y'all right now because I'm driving. The Swollest Waver on YouTube. And I know it's been a minute since I put out a video. I think it's been like a month and a half since my last video. And the reason for that is because since that time, a lot of shit been going on. A lot of good, a lot of bad. So this past month been kind of rough for your boy, man. Excuse all the bumpiness or whatnot because I'm driving to work right now. And like I was saying, I just wanted to give you all an update that I'm not done with YouTube or nothing like that. I'm gonna start pumping out videos. I got a video of me getting my hair cut by my brother. He's a barber from Houston, Texas, one of the coldest barbers out there. And I recorded that, so I gotta put that up. That was like a week ago. My damn hair, and as you can see, my face and shit started growing back already. So growing hair was never a problem for me. It's the gray that's the bad thing. But like I was saying, a lot of good and a lot of bad been happening in my life. So I had to take a break from YouTube to kind of iron that stuff out. And I mean, it's still not as bad, but it's not 100 though. So I'm gonna start slowly but surely pumping out new videos. And I got some nice content coming out, especially for my people who's going gray. There's a lot of people going gray. Even though I ain't been making videos, I've been seeing a lot of wave videos, and a lot of people going gray, man. I noticed. Y'all probably ain't, they ain't got as many as I do, but a lot of people going gray. And that's just something that you can't control that, man. And to be honest, going gray really ain't that bad if you think about it, because you could be going gray and going bald at the same time. Or you could just be going bald and you ain't able to wave no more. So I take the gray. I'm not dyeing my hair anymore. I told y'all that in prior videos. I'm not dyeing my hair or nothing like that. But yeah, a lot of people going gray, man. Your top wavers are going gray. And they probably dyeing their hair. But it's cool. It is what it is. I used to do it too. But eventually, everybody who's on here is going to experience something with their hair the older they get. Like my brother-in-law. Hey, focus. All right, there you go. My brother-in-law, he older than me. I'm 37 years old. My brother-in-law in his 40s. That man ain't got a gray hair in sight. And he ain't going bald. So maybe y'all will be blessed and get those type of results like he's getting when you get older. But everybody ain't that fortunate. You're either gonna go gray, you're gonna go bald, or you're gonna go gray and bald, or your hair's just gonna stay black. Those are your options. Or you can get hair plugs like Brian Urlacher. But anyway, I just wanted to give y'all an update. Like I said, I still be watching videos and whatnot. And I see I'm not really missing nothing in the wave game. Shit still ain't changed. I see a lot of wave fuckery going on. Same shit, people beefing over hair, which is crazy. You beefing over hair. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting old. You probably say that because of the grays in my beard, but whatever. It ain't even about that. It's just knowing what to battle over and what not to battle, and knowing when to jump in people's, and knowing as a man or as a human being, period, not to jump in other people's battles. Because the people who jump in, if you notice, like the people who jump in other people's bullshit, the two people who are going at it don't never get harmed. It's always the people who's trying to get in on the bullshit that something tragic happens. So I mean, try to stay out that business, man. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I see all this Kitman shit and Kitman that. Man, let people do what they do. Let people do what they want to do with their hair, man. It don't matter. At the end of the day, it's just hair. And like I said, you either gonna lose it, or it's gonna turn gray, or it's gonna stay black. I mean, it's just hair. It ain't no reason to get into a hair beef, man. It's dumb. It's dumb. We talking about hair. Like Iverson said, we talking about practice. But no, we talking about hair. Shouldn't be beefing over hair. But anyway, that's all I want to say. I'm gonna start doing live workout videos too. I got my basement back, so I'm able to go down there and show y'all how to lift properly and effectively, so y'all can get these gains. Because even though I ain't been making videos, I still been hitting the gym, and I'm getting shredded for the summer. And I done lost like 8 pounds, and probably some of that is like due to stress, and the rest of it is to my eating and my workout regimen that I currently do. So it's looking good on me. Your boy's still big as hell, still doing my thing. And yeah, so y'all drop any questions y'all have below. As y'all can see from my prior videos, anybody leave a comment, positive or negative, I'm gonna hit you back almost immediately, because I get the alerts to my phone. So whether you talking positive shit or negative shit, I'm gonna respond for the most part, especially with the negative. Y'all see my prior videos, I clap back fast, man. But that's all I wanted to say to y'all. I hope y'all still out here brushing, staying positive, staying out of trouble, getting healthy, eating healthy. And that's basically it. Oh, and about my products too. Y'all gonna be shocked about this, but I don't care. Y'all gonna see what I done went back to as far as the products go. I know people gonna be talking shit, but it is what it is. It's my hair. So, and no, I ain't using no kit or nothing like that. And if I was, it'd be my goddamn business. But I'm not using no kit. But what I'm using ain't so much called, it's not considered natural. But I'm one of the most natural wavers on YouTube. You could go check out my Facebook and see how natural I am, all the way down from my eating to my fitness. Because I does this shit. This fitness and stuff, that's my life. So it don't get no more natural than that. I don't care what you put in your hair. You can put all the oils in your hair you want, you still ain't more natural than me. But enough of the shit talking. I just want to show y'all that your boy's still alive, still out here doing my thing, just going through a few issues. Ain't nothing I can't shake off. Alright, I done been through worse, and I'm still here, and I'm gonna still be here, even after all this. So with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go. I know the camera kind of shaky, and I get at you all in future videos. So again, before I go, I want to thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. Right now, I'm at about 642 subscribers, and that's good, man, because my sub count been going up, and I ain't put out a video in like over a month and a half or so. So y'all go ahead, spread the word, tell everybody sub to my channel, because you get nothing but straight facts and real shit, real honesty with me. I'm gonna just tell it like it is, whether you like to hear it or not. So again, I'm gonna let y'all go, and y'all stay up, man. Swole Wave out.